Ever thought about getting your business in front of more people online? Like right when they're searching for exactly what you offer? Well, that's where Google Ads come in. And today, I'm going to break down how to launch your very first campaign simply and effectively. Why Google Ads? So, you might be thinking, Google Ads? Isn't that complicated? And honestly, it can seem that way at first, but at its core, it's about connecting with potential customers. Think about it. When you need something, what do? You Google it, right? Google Ads lets your business show up at the top of those search results. It's about getting noticed when people are actively looking for solutions, products, or services that you provide. That's a pretty powerful tool for growth, whether you're a small local shop or an online business. The core elements. All right, let's get down to actually setting one up. Don't worry, I'm keeping it super straightforward. There are a few key things you'll need to think about. First, your keywords. These are the keywords or phrases people type into Google. If you sell handmade jewelry, handmade necklaces, or buy unique earrings, would be good keywords. You want to pick ones that match what you offer. Next, your ad copy. This is the actual text that shows up in the search results. You need to make it catchy and tell people why they should click your ad. Think about what makes your business special. And finally, where you're sending people, your landing page. When someone clicks on your ad, they need to go to a specific page on your website that's super relevant to what they just searched for. If your ad is for organic coffee beans, don't send them to your general homepage. Setting up the quick walkthrough. So, how do you put all this together? You'll head over to ads.google.com and sign in. You'll be walked through creating a new campaign. You'll choose your campaign goal like getting more website traffic or sales, then you'll pick your budget. This is how much you're willing to spend each day or month. Start small. You can always increase it later. Then you'll enter those keywords we talked about. Write your ad headlines and descriptions and make sure your landing page link is correct. Google has a pretty good step by step guide once you're in there. The important thing is just to start. Post launch, what now? Once your campaign is live, it's not a set it and forget it kind of thing. You'll want to check in on it regularly. See which keywords are working best and if your ads are getting clicks. Don't be afraid to make tweaks. Maybe some keywords aren't performing or you can improve your ad text. It's an ongoing process of learning and adjusting, but even making small improvements can make a big difference. So, there you have it, Google Ads 101. It might seem like a lot, but by focusing on those core elements, which are keywords, ad copy, and your landing page, you're well on your way to launching your first campaign like a pro. Give it a try and see what happens. Thank you for watching this video. I truly appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.